Today, I'd like to introduce the MECG 2.0, a multi-channel ECG database player developed by WhaleTech. The MECG 2.0, when connected to a breakout box, allows for the connection to all electrodes, including RA, LA, LL, and RL. Connect the MECG 2.0 to the computer using a USB cable. Through the dedicated MECG 2.0 software installed in the computer, users can control the MECG 2.0 to generate multi-channel signals. This is a 12-lead ECG machine. During testing, we suggest that users put a metal plate under the ECG machine and the MECG 2.0 and ground them to it. This helps reduce noise interference. Now let's take a look at the functions of MECG 2.0. The MECG 2.0 mainly converts ECG waveforms into analog signals and outputs them to test ECG interpretation algorithms. It can also perform some simple tests by sine waves, triangle waves, and 100-millisecond pulse waves. For example, if you load the sine wave and then click play, you can see signals that the MECG 2.0 plays to the ECG machine for each lead. The amplitude and frequency of the sine wave can also be adjusted. Since the MECG 2.0 mainly outputs ECG waveforms from databases required by medical standards, the first database here is called CTS-CSE. This database includes CAL and CSE waveforms required by YY0782 and IEC 60601-2-25. Take the CSE 001 waveform, for example. Click the waveform and load waveform, then click play to output the signals, and you will see the signals displayed on the ECG machine. Signals for each lead are also displayed on the MECG 2.0 software. This CSE signal is only 10 seconds long, so after it is played once, you can see that there is no signal on the ECG machine. Therefore, the MECG 2.0 provides a function called looping. Check looping and then click play, so the signal will be played continuously. If you right-click on the screen, you can perform other operations. By double-clicking on a desired screen, a pop-up window will show the selected screen alone, and you can also zoom in and out of the image to show its details. Besides, its amplitude, time duration, start time, and leads are displayed and can be adjusted. The other databases are mainly the PhysioNet databases, which are the 4 databases required by YY0885 and IEC 60601-2-47. MIT, ESC, NST, and CU. The MECG 2.0 also supports the ECG format of the AHA database and the DCD format of the CSE database. In addition, it provides a WhaleTech format, so if you record ECG signals, you can convert them to this format for playback. For example, to play the MIT database in PhysioNet, select MIT 100 and open the file. After this file is imported, users can assign its leads to different leads. The leads in the database are ML2 and V5. Now you can assign them to lead 1 and lead V1 respectively. Then click Accept Leads and close the window, so you can see lead 1 and lead V1 on the screen with assigned waveforms. Then click Play to play the data. The display of MECG 2.0 software should be identical to the ECG machine, allowing users to verify that each signal is correct. Users need to download databases before conducting tests on ECG interpretation algorithms. For example, PhysioNet databases can be downloaded from its website, and you can download them directly from the website by clicking Download All on the MECG 2.0 software. For ASHE and CSE databases, you will need to purchase them separately. In short, the MECG 2.0 plays ECG data back with precise analog signals, aiming to assist in verifying algorithm designs. We've come to the end of our brief introduction to the MECG 2.0. Thank you for your time.